Hello my dear lovely friends, welcome to our channel GG. Today I'm going to show you how to apply effect on Adobe After Effects. Just begin. Just click new project, double click. I'm gonna take this import, double click, take video. Now just drag this here, dragging this here, we can see her. Then we're just going to drag this here like this. It's very easy to put effect in Adobe After Effects. To get effect in Adobe After Effects, it's very easy. It's just in your left side here you can see effect and presents. You can add any effect of Adobe After Effects to this pictures and to this video. From this it got many effects, such as I can put your 3D channels, depth of field. Let's see what kind of effect it is. Yes, it's normal. Let's put another effect, cartoon effect. Let's put by directly putting this, we can directly put it, but when you put it directly you can get that you can know that that effect can apply at this image also, at this image also. Let's put this. Oh, just put in, look at the cartoon effect at the call video. You can put here directly also, and you can put, let's put another glow effect, glow effect on this image. Look, that is glowing. You can increase radius from here. You can glow anything, any pictures, an image. Let's put that glow effect in crawl. Look, that crawl is glowing. You can control anything from here. And then from here you can put as many effect you can in Adobe After Effects. And project this by pressing Alt in PC. You can increase the glow rate, 16 BC, 25 BC, 32 BC. In Adobe After Effects we can get many effects. You can get many effects from here. Okay guys, effect and presents. Okay guys, this was for today for tutorial video, other tutorial video in Adobe After Effects or in other software which I am learning. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.